Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I have a rather large Goodwill haul for you guys. I spent just under $128 or $129, so it was like $128.64. There are some personal pieces in here. We've got hard goods clothing, and then some like personal items, like I said. I'm just gonna start from the top, but what's on top, the first three things I actually bought for my husband to resell, because he also resells, so I will have his closet linked below. He sells mostly men's, though I think at least this I think he might be keeping. This was $7.99, but it is Carhartt, and it's just like a quarter zip fleece line, quarter zip, and it looked basically brand new, but it is his size. It's a large, so I think that he plans to keep that. This was $4.99, Callaway, size extra large. Basic polo, that's what I was going for. Okay, this I did not look up, but I bought because it feels really good quality, and it is extra fine merino wool, and the label is tacked on. It's Turnberry. I don't know anything about it. Size extra large. Looked nice, felt nice. It was $4.99. I'm gonna leave it up to him to look up and figure out about it. Hopefully it was a good buy for him though. Alright, next, this is for me to sell. It's the brand BKE. I did think about keeping this for myself. It's just like an oversized color block. Oh, it looks like there's a small stain that I just saw right here on the sleeve. So if I can't get that out, I will probably keep it for myself. But I am going to try to stain treat it because I think it looks really cool. But if anything, like I said, I would keep it because it's my size. This I think is just Cat and Jack, size 4T, but I just love the little hearts on it, another little play dress. And then this is also Cat and Jack. Again, this was $3.99, this set here. But it was just so cute with little flowers. Just Cat and Jack, but I couldn't pass it up. It was just too cute. They did have a couple of things that I decided to pass on for now, but yeah. So this is Hard Rock Cafe. I looked this up. Comps were pretty decent, and I'm pretty sure based on the tag here, it looks old. It is a size extra large. It does have a little bit of wearing right down here. And I think it just needs to run through the wash. Just a slight fading right here that I'll just note. But this was $2.99, and I thought that it was worth picking up at that price. This was Yellowstone, size small. This was $4.99. Just kind of like this burnout tee. This was $4.99. It is the brand Blue Ivy. I don't know if this is like Blue Ivy Carter's line, like Beyonce's daughter. But the quality feels really nice, and comps looked really good. I love this green. It's a small medium. It's my size. You know, if it's one of those things, if it doesn't end up selling, or, you know, I just keep getting really low ball offers that I don't like, then I might pull it and keep it for myself. But I am going to try to sell it first because comps were good. This was $3.99. The brand is Notori. If it had a size, then the size is gone, but I would assume that it's like a medium-ish robe. It's like a lined robe, like it's like a heavier weight. I picture somebody using that in like the fall, spring. This is Jansport, size medium. It looks vintagey to me. I'm not sure that if this is like Philmont, Scout, Ranch, if it's really anything, if this has any value at all. But I'm gonna be honest, I like the color. I love this green. And I don't know, it just looked cool and vintagey. This I might also keep for myself. It's Cabby, size medium. So Cabby doesn't do like the greatest, but it's just a basic tan cardigan. I am a sucker for cardigans, you guys. Cardigans and like sweatshirts like this, staples. True staples. I do have another thing for my daughter. These are just the Grinch PJs. These were also $3.99. So cute. I love those. And then this I'm going to look up. I know Hot Hippie or Hot Hippie can do okay, but this one's kids, so I don't know how well this does. This was $3.99. But if anything, again, I'll keep it for my daughter. and have her wear it at Easter, and then she'll ruin it because it's white. And yeah, but I'm gonna look up comps on this first. All right, this is the brand Bibby or BB. I just picked this up in my last Goodwill haul. This one is a size large. It's $4.99. Comps on what I had looked up before were good. And I don't know, I just thought this was kind of cute. It's like a hooded, short sleeve sweater. I don't really know how to describe this. I feel like this would be good for in the spring, like a spring break type thing. And then this just gave me all the 90s vibes. This is Lake Harmony Rowing Club. It is a tacked-on label, size large. I believe it's vintage. It was $4.99. And look at this. This is the exact color that is on like those styrofoam cups from like the 90s, like that you would get and nobody knows exactly where they came from. It's this color right here. But yeah, that was a size large if I didn't know what to say, and I just thought it was so cool. All right, this might have been a mistake. This was $5.99, but look at this bag. This is a Disney Mickey like comic strip bag. It's oh, I can't think of what this is called when it's like slick like this. Like, you know what I'm talking about? You see like the shiny rubber, maybe is what I'm going for. I don't know. I thought it was cute. The inside is a little dirty, but I don't know. I just had to pick it up. This bag here was also $5.99. Yes, $5.99. It does have a little Pokemon, which I know sometimes Pokemon stuffies can sell, but it also has these two new tag Squishmallows. And I know at a time these were really sought after. Sometimes when you look them up, they have value. Sometimes they don't. So I'm not sure, but I am going to try to sell them. I don't know the other things that are in here, if they are anything. I might also look them up. Somebody had donated like their whole Squishmallow collection. So this, I just took a chance on this bag because I saw that there was a Pokemon thing in it. And you know what? They can just go be donated to either dog toys or kid toys or both if they don't work out. This bag I picked up, it was $4.99. It does have some like vintage-y old school Barbies in it. I don't know if they will have any value at all, but I picked it up for this Bratz doll right here. I know Bratz dolls can be worth money. Now, there is purple marker on her, like all over her, so I will have to try to clean her up, but I think it'll be worth it. And if anything, I'll give the dolls to my daughter. She's not going to care. And then I saw that there was a Build-A-Bear that had its tags on it, and we just went to Build-A-Bear and we spent an insane amount of money to get the Bluey Grannies trio because each kid picked out one, and then I was like, that leaves us with two of the three. That's going to drive me insane. I want the whole thing. So we spent a dumb amount at Build-A-Bear. So I was like, I'm just going to look this up. They had it for $2.99. Comps looked good. It is the Cuddly Groundhog. And again, if this doesn't sell or really has no value, my kids will love this. All right, last game toy. This is for Jacob and I. It is in a pickle. It's like the what's in a word game. Does the sofa fit in a shopping cart? It's like creative thinking scenarios games. But this was $2.99 as well. And kind of like as a date night idea, we have this idea to like get a game at a thrift store and play it. We love to play games, so I found it and we're gonna play it. Okay, this bag was $7.99, so this was a chance. The brand is Francesco Pisani. I don't know. It's a very heavy bag, very, very heavy. The inside is pretty clean and the outside is also in pretty good condition. I did see there was one mark right here that I don't know if I will be able to get out or not, but the comps that I saw on similar bags were very, very good, like between 30 to like 90, honestly. And if I could just get 30 for this, I would be happy. All right, moving into home goods. I saw this mug and I don't know, just something about it looked very interesting. It is the Boston Warehouse Trading Company mug. They had this at $1.99, but when I looked at comps on eBay, they were between like 12 to 20, so I felt good getting this. And I'm going to be honest, I had no intention of actually going down the aisle that I found the mug and then these next things that I think are so cool that I'm going to show you. I had no intention of going down that aisle. It was just an open aisle and I wanted to do a Google lens on the Bratz doll. And I happened to see these and I was like, those are so cool. So the first one I saw was this. It is the Morton Salt Girl. Like, you know, from the salt company. Well, I looked it up. They had it at 99 cents. This lot sold for like around $25 for these two, both 99 cents each. Then they also had this set. I didn't even bother looking it up. I just picked it up. Honestly, they're freaking cool. Like, these vintage mugs, I don't know. I think that they are so cool. I think, I don't know if I have the whole set, if there's a whole lot of them. I bought as many as they had. So there's 1914, 1921, 1956, and 1968. I thought they were awesome. They were 99 cents each, and I think that I can get at least 12 out of one of them. So then they had these at $2.99 a piece. There is a sugar and a creamer, and I think that they're adorable. So I picked those up as well. That is my whole haul. It was a big one. Let me know how you think I did down below. Do you think everything that I got was worth the $130 essentially? I definitely feel like it was a big win. But like I said, let me know your thoughts down below. I'll have all of my closets linked down below for Poshmark, Mercari, Depop, Etsy. Those I know for sure I'll link down below. I know I have my husband's closet linked down below as well. But yeah, be sure you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.